Hi, this is Amanda with Crafts by Amanda, and today we're going to make my Let It Snow Scrabble tile ornament. Start with a paper plate and your Scrabble tiles and lay them out on top of the paper plate. Then take a pen and trace around the tiles. Next, you're going to cut that out in like a square and then place a piece of felt underneath it. Then use a pair of scissors to cut through both pieces. You also want to cut about a 1/4 inch inside the actual template. You do this so that the paper and the felt do not show at the front of the ornament. Now go ahead and take that felt piece and set it aside. We're going to use it later. You want to cover your white template with tacky glue and then take your letters and place them onto the template, sticking them down onto the template. As you can see on the back, you won't be able to see that paper on the front of the ornament. Now go ahead and cover the back of the ornament with glue, and then take your ribbon or twine, fold it in half, place it on there, and then sandwich it in between your white template and your felt. Once that's dried, you want to pull out your snow tex and a palette knife. You can also use a craft stick, that would work too. And then just start piling on the snow tex. And try to imagine how snow would fall in its natural state. It's not going to fall on the left side of the letter I, for example, but it will fall onto the letter S. If you accidentally get some snow tex onto your tiles, just use a baby wipe to wipe it off. And continue adding the snow tex until you're happy with your design. If you notice one of your tiles feels kind of loose, you can just put some glue in between and spread it down, and then just wipe off the excess. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can find more tutorials on craftsbyamanda.com.